The Z Fold 6 might have some big changes to the way it looks that could affect future Samsung phones, like the S25. First, both the outside and inside screens of the Z Fold 6 will get bigger. It's still not clear how big the new screens will be or if other things will change, like the brightness or clarity. The Z Fold 6 is likely to have a bigger screen, which is a nice change from the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5 cover displays, which didn't really get any better. But some people worry that the bigger phone might become hard to hold, especially when it's closed. Reports say that the Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have the same design as the S25 and later models. This means that the screen will cover more of the phone and the area around it will be smaller. Even though the Z Fold 6 has bigger screens, Samsung wants to make it lighter. This makes me wonder how long the phone will last though. One phone that is smaller than the Z Fold 5 but has a bigger cover and main screen is the OnePlus Open. A lot of rumors have been going around about the new Z Fold 6. The leak doesn't say anything about the S Pen, which is a rumored feature that many people would love to see. A bigger screen would make drawing and writing with a stylus more fun, but it's not clear if the phone will actually be lighter, as U1122 says. There have also been rumors about the phone's official dust protection rating and the possibility of a camera upgrade, while the Gal is expected to be released first. Samsung has already made a folding phone with a hinge that doesn't leave a space between the two halves. Now, the main goal is to make the gadget thinner, lighter, and wider. The Z Fold 6 will also have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, but we won't know for sure until it comes out. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.